Hey girl, hey, welcome to Cherie's Life of Luxury, where I empower women to live their best life while sharing my best life with you. Today we're going to be doing a TEMU haul. It's going to be a fall haul, so I'm going to be styling some pieces up that I got from TEMU, but I also have some other pieces that are essentials as well that I would love for you guys to check out. Make sure you use the discount code that's on the screen, and that way you can get you some pieces for the low, okay, period. And I'm not going to hold you guys long in this intro. Let's get right on into the video.
Woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony.
Okay, so for starters, we're gonna start with outerwear. I want to show you the piece that I picked up that I feel like is so cute. Now I wasn't thinking when I ordered this piece that it was gonna shed, but she does shed a little bit, not a whole lot. I think initially out of the pack it was shedding and I got a little scared, but now that I'm taking it back out of the pack, I'm not seeing so much shedding. And this is her. She's cute. I think you just need to shake her out when you first get her. You guys, it's perfect for layering. I'm going to show you some pieces that I'm going to be layering it on top of. But you can also layer it on top of lots of other things. Dresses, sweaters, sweater dresses, you know, the whole nine. I'm going to try to really see what it's giving. If you want to wear it zipped. Super cute. And I like pieces like this because I used to wear things like this all the time that had long sleeves, but I would get super, super hot when I would wear them. And so I wouldn't wear them because I knew I would be too hot. But this is sleeveless, so I know that I actually won't get too hot while wearing this. And I can pair it on top of something else, so if I do get hot, I can take it off and it's not like my actual main piece. So I love this, you guys. I love the pockets as well, the zipper. I would definitely wear this with white. You'll see how I style it. It'll be on the screen somewhere. But I would definitely wear this with white and leave the brown as like pops of brown. Wear it with like a brown bag to bring out the brown. So yes, that's my first piece. Next, I guess you could call this an unboxing because some of this stuff I haven't even opened yet, child. Next, hold on. Thumbnail. So next in this package, I have another package. But I love the packaging, honestly, how they take care of their pieces. So what I did was I went on there and I found pieces that came in like 2s or 3s, and that way I could, you know, have more, because you know when you like something you want it in multiple colors anyway. So I went ahead and grabbed multiple colors while I was at it. Okay, so here's a cute long sleeve shirt. I was about to say asymmetrical, but it's not really asymmetrical. Well, I guess it is. But this is a super cute shirt that I picked up. It is long sleeve. I love the sleeve. It's not going to be too tight. I can tell it's going to have a nice, you know, amount of room in it. So if I want to like scrunch the sleeves up, I could. And if I don't want to scrunch the sleeves, I can leave them down and wear some nice arm candy, per usual. And I just really like this crisscross detail. I know you guys are going to be able to see it better when I try it on. But yeah, this is super cute. Get into the material. Is it see-through? I wouldn't really say it's see-through, but I would say you probably want to wear a black bra under it if you wear a bra. If you don't wear a bra, I don't think it'd be a problem. Like you won't be able to see your whole nipple or anything. But yeah, it's nice material. Very stretchy. Very, very stretchy. Let's see. Yeah, I like this material. And so of course, since I got it in black, you know what other color I had to get it in? Nude. Duh. If I got it in black, I needed it nude, okay? I just thought these would be really fun shirts for the fall to style up, you know, because I love me a little one too, you know. I need to have the sleeves for the warmth, but then I still want something cute going on up front, and I ain't want any cutouts, you know. So I feel like this is gonna be perfect. This color, I can already tell, is gonna look great on my melanin skin, but you can't go wrong with black either, right? So yeah, I love these two pieces. And like I said, it came in a 2-piece set. So, you know, go ahead and grab your staples and multiples. I feel like TEMU does a great job of giving you multiples of staples, which is what you really need going into the fall, so you're not just trying to pick up one-offs here and there. And you have your multiple colors so that you can style them up in different ways depending on what accessories you may have. Like I could really style those 2 shirts in 2 totally different ways because they're in 2 different colors, and it won't even look like the same shirt. So Keep that in mind. Multiple colors do not mean you have to wear the same outfit again and again. You can actually style it up different ways, you know? Moving on, we have another set. So this is actually a 3-piece set. So once again, we're gonna start with black because you know we all love a black moment. I picked up a 3-pack of turtlenecks because I don't know about y'all, but I love a turtleneck in the fall winter seasons. Okay, so this is really like a fall winter haul if you think about it, because some of these pieces is borderline winter. But yeah, so I got this. I love a ribbed turtleneck, and I love an actual turtleneck, not a mock neck. I hate when they just stop like right here. Ew. I like to be able to roll mine down, you know, into like an actual turtleneck. So like this. I really like for the neck to be rolled down like this or scrunched, you know, either way. And yeah, once again, this is a ribbed turtleneck and it has so much stretch. So that's what I love. I love that you can style these up so easily. They're very easy to layer on top of, but they're really good for like if you want to put a coat on top or something like that and then take it off and still be somewhat warm. These are perfect, not see-through. And even the other 2 colors that I got, the tan and the white, they aren't see-through either, and you can't go wrong with a good white turtleneck. That's how I feel. Like anytime I can put my hands on a nice ribbed white turtleneck for the winter fall, oh my gosh, I'm happy, right? So make sure you go pick these up. This is, like I said, a 3-pack set, so you're gonna be able to grab these and wear them for pretty much the entire winter because you have 3 different colors to play with, and once again you can style them up 3 totally different ways. So I 100% recommend this. If you don't pick up anything else from this haul, I really think that these ribbed turtlenecks, if you're a turtleneck girly, they're the way to go. And I'm gonna style them up a few different ways for you guys to get inspiration, because I know it seems like just a basic turtleneck, but girl, it's so much you can do with a turtleneck, especially with your necklaces and you know the trousers, and it's very fitted too. The length is nice. It's not one of those super long turtlenecks where you have to worry about, you know, it bunching up at the bottom at your hips. It actually is a great length, so you can tuck it into trousers, tuck it into jeans. It'll look very nice, almost like a bodysuit because it's so ribbed and fitted, and I'm really excited about styling those. So okay, keep an eye out on the screen. You'll see how I style them, and let me know how you would style your turtlenecks. We're back. Technical difficulties occurred, but we're back. Here we are. Okay, so we're gonna just go ahead and move on to the next item. So the next piece that I picked up that is also a fall essential, fall staple, honey, is this throw blanket. Very big, soft, luxurious, and it's just perfect for multi-use. So it's very big. You can definitely use this as a throw blanket on your couch. This is gonna be my throw blanket for my couch for the new season. It's time to kind of switcheroo with the ones that I have currently. So I can't wait to put that one on the couch. But if you're a girly who doesn't really do like comforters or duvets, you just like to cuddle up with a nice cozy blanket, then that is the perfect one. It's big enough to spread across your whole bed. My blanket that I ordered is like a medium size blanket. So there's one even bigger than this one if you have a king size bed. But this one is perfect. If I wanted to put it across the end of my bed, I have a queen size. It'll drape across the whole bed, which is perfect for me because I hate buying those throw blankets that are too small and it just looks stupid on my bed. This one is perfect, and I'm actually surprised that TEMU actually had this one, you know? So love it. I love the color. It matches my living room perfectly, but they had multiple different colors. They do have other sizes that you can choose from, so that if you want to put it on your bed, you can. If you want a smaller one to be able to travel with, or for your kids, they have those as well, once again in different colors. This tube top is cutting into me, don't mind that. But yes, that is the perfect blanket for multi-use. Okay, I love the seams and the lines. The design is gonna look so good on my couch. It really matches, like I said, the vibes that's already in my living room. So I'm in love with it. Make sure you go pick it up, and once again, I'll have my discount code on the screen for you guys so that you guys can pick up one or all of the pieces that I'm showing you guys for fall. And let's move on to more like essentials that aren't really technically fall essentials, but they're still must-have items. So this piece I already unboxed because I was filming and I thought I was filming, but I wasn't. But anyway, I already unboxed this one, but this is basically like a soap dish that goes in your shower, or you can use it for like inside of the kitchen sink for your sponges. It's gonna be perfect because it can fit more than one. Like I said, you can put sponges in here, but I can also fit like 2 bars of soap in here this way, and it's just gonna be perfect. It's gonna elevate my bathroom. I really feel like the stuff as simple as this elevates the bathroom. I got it in black because that matches all of the other hardware and things that I added to my bathroom, like my shower handle, my shower caddy, and other things. So I just wanted to keep that same vibe going, and it just sticks up. This is like a stick-on, so I can just stick this up in the bathroom and it'll hold my soaps. So this is gonna be perfect for bringing my bathroom up a couple notches. And I did buy some other pieces, but I'm actually kind of using them already. So I grabbed a lip liner, a lip mask slash lip gloss, and then I also grabbed this selfie light. So it's like a clip-on selfie light. I got mine in the color pink, but it's already in my purse, girl. I'm already using it. And it came with a charger, 2 clip-on pieces. So one you can clip onto your phone, and one that has a little adjustable piece that you can put on your tripod or your camera and add on as like an external flash. So I love this. It gets really bright, and I'm already using it once again. So it's very, very good. Another staple that a lot of the it girls are wearing are these headbands. It came in a 4-piece set. So I got white, tan, brown, and black. And these are, like I said, these are staples, honestly, because you can wear these to cover up your edges, cover up your wig. If you remember the wig era, the headband wig era during COVID, they actually made me realize, like, girl, all I need is a headband on my wig and I can just keep it pushing. So these are perfect for lace front wigs to cover up, also to cover up the color of the headband that you already have on your headband wig currently. Also for your edges, so you don't have to lay your edges, girl, when you're leaving the gym. Perfect for athleisure sets, workout sets. I would definitely wear these in a more casual way. I wouldn't really dress these up, but they're perfect for casual workout type of vibes. And they're very cute, good quality, good stretch, and I love how thick they are. So they can cover up the whole front, like you can see. I would even wear it with something like this this Juicy Couture set. Something like this would be really cute. So check these out. Must have, very affordable. Once again, my discount code will be on the screen. And here's the lip mask that I got. I picked up a cutesy ring just so that, you know, I could check out how their jewelry is. And I'm actually in love with the way this ring looks. Also in love with how the ankle bracelet looks that I ordered. I've been seeing all the it girls wear like the chunky ankle bracelets with the diamonds on them, and I didn't want to break the bank because, you know, them Instagram ads will get you. But TEMU has them for the low. Very pretty, very, very pretty. As you can see, the chain links, and it's actually a great size, so it should fit my ankle perfectly. And last but not least, I had to share, so random, but if you're a nail girly, then I wanted to share with you. I got this manicure pedicure drill. So it came with lots of little drill ends, the actual drill head, and then this is the drill itself. It's in pink. So if you're a girl, a DIY nail girly, you do your own nails or you do your friend's nails, or you're just a professional nail tech and you need something to do nails with that'll take your nails up to the next level, I'd highly recommend it. Make sure you guys check out the links. Everything is going to be linked down below for you. Also, my discount code will be down below. So even if you don't pick up any of the pieces that I showed, you can still use my discount code and I can get, you know, a little commission or whatever. So that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you so much. And I will see you in the next freaking video. Mwah, bye. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, okay? Period.
Come follow me to luxury. Gold on the floors and all over me. The diamonds galore. I'ma ask you some more. Would it be like dealing with a queen? I just wanna make